This is the shortest lesson in the whole course. In this table, we have the value of the sales for 10 products which fall into two categories, A and B. We're going to quickly calculate the total sales, the average sales, and how many products were sold from category A. We can use the average, count, and sum functions, but a quicker way is to select the data and look at the status bar at the bottom of the screen, where all this information is displayed. Average, count, and sum are set as the default functions in the status bar. We are able to change them. Right-click on the status bar to personalize it and change a few other settings. We'll focus on the options from average to sum. The others aren't used very often. So go ahead and add numerical count, minimum, and maximum, so all 6 will be shown on the status bar. In my table, the average number of sales for category A is shown as 27. There are 6 cells selected that contain data, and 6 numerical values in the selected range. The minimum value is 12, the maximum is 56, and the total sales value comes to 162. The numerical count function shows the number of numerical values in the chosen range. If cells containing text or empty cells are included in the range, the numerical count doesn't change. All of the calculations made in Excel exclude empty cells. If 5 products don't sell, and we delete the sales values for those products, the average will only be calculated using the products that are left. Here the result is 175.2, and the minimum sales here is 24, not 0. If we want to include the products that weren't sold in the calculations, we can input zeros into the empty cells. Now, including the 0 values, the average decreases to 87.6, and the minimum value is now 0. Other functions in Excel also work like this, so please remember that there is a big difference between the cell containing the value of 0 and an empty cell. A printable version of the exercises list is available to download so that you can tick the examples you have completed. Hopefully, this will motivate you to complete the whole course and pass the exam available at the end of the Advanced Excel course.